Hey everybody. So in this video, I want to take a second to talk about immunity and antigens, right? So immunity is just the response mounted by the body against specific recognized foreign antigens. I may have said that a little bit annoying. I said it very slowly, but the point is your body's able to identify cells that are not its own. All right. So again, super important. If we're going back to that castle example, if everyone in your castle, I guess, lives in the same family, maybe they all have the same color hair. I don't know. So everyone has red hair in this family, for example. If someone who's not a part of that family enters the castle, and maybe they have blonde hair, right? You can recognize the difference between the family members, right? It's something we can see, right? In your body, it's kind of similar to that. There are certain markers that we're able to identify to recognize who's who, right? Because in your body, you want your cells. You don't want any other cells in your body. The reason why is because most likely those cells are going to do you harm. So our body is going to recognize them and destroy them. How do we do that? Antigens. So there's a couple of A words you're going to see, right? We're going to start with antigens. So antigens are a type of, it's usually proteins. It could be polysaccharides or glycoproteins, right? Or glycolipids, right? They are markers that are on your cells that you can use to identify them. So here's my little drawing example. So let's say we have a cell. And there's multiple types of antigens. There's not just one, right? But let's say, just to keep it simple, let's say this marker, this thing on top of your cell, makes it yours. So this is the red hair I was talking about in the castle. So every cell in this body has that antigen. Every person in your castle has that red hair, right? That is the self marker that we can all see and recognize to go, oh, that's one of us. Those are one of our friends. Those are one of our people, right? And this is a way that our body can recognize itself, but also one way that our body can recognize who is not ourselves, right? So this is really important because when you can recognize um, or do not recognize a cell as one of your own, we will prompt the immune response. So that's just really important. So what the heck is an antigen? Long story short, it's usually a protein that is connected to the outside of the cell membrane that we can use as a marker to identify who you are. If you have any questions on what immunity is or what antigens are, please rewatch this video or just please reach out to me because antigens are going to be very important moving forward in this section. So if you have any questions, please let me know.